Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel JourneY MindS. Today, we're diving into the fascinating of World War III. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe JourneY MindS and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our internet exploration updates. Now, let's get started. Humanity has always been on a quest for survival, power, and progress, but as we stand on the brink of a new era, the specter of World War III looms ominously over our heads. What would this mean for the extension of human beings? In this video, we will explore the potential causes, the impact, and the evolution of humanity in the face of a third world war. To understand the potential onset of World War III, we must first examine the geopolitical tensions of our time. From rising superpowers to advanced technological warfare, the stage is set for a conflict that could reshape the world as we know it. Political analyst. Current global tensions are driven by a multitude of factors: economic competition, territorial disputes, and ideological battles. The United States, China, and Russia are at the forefront, each vying for dominance in a multipolar world. The nature of warfare has evolved. Unlike the previous world wars, World War III is likely to be characterized by advanced technology. Cyber warfare, AI, autonomous drones, and space-based weapons will play pivotal roles. These advancements raise critical questions about the ethics and consequences of such a conflict. AI and automation in warfare could lead to unprecedented levels of efficiency and destruction. The line between human decision-making and machine autonomy is blurring, creating scenarios where machines might make life-and-death decisions on the battlefield. The aftermath of World War III could be catastrophic, not just in terms of human casualties and environmental damage, but also the socio-political landscape. Nations would be left in ruins, economies shattered, and a new world order would emerge from the chaos. Sociologist. Rebuilding after such a massive conflict would require unprecedented global cooperation. The psychological impact on survivors, the need for sustainable development, and the challenge of fostering international peace would be monumental tasks. Despite the grim prospects, there is hope. Advances in technology and a deeper understanding of global interdependence could lead to a new era of human development. If we learn from our past and harness our potential, we can build a future where the extension of human being means progress, unity, and resilience. To understand the potential onset of World War III, we must first examine the geopolitical tensions of our time. From rising superpowers to advanced technological warfare, the stage is set for a conflict that could reshape the world as we know it. Current global tensions are driven by a multitude of factors: economic competition, territorial disputes, and ideological battles. The United States, China, and Russia are at the forefront, each vying for dominance in a multipolar world. The nature of warfare has evolved. Unlike the previous world wars, World War III is likely to be characterized by advanced technology. Cyber warfare, AI, autonomous drones, and space-based weapons will play pivotal roles. These advancements raise critical questions about the ethics and consequences of such a conflict. The aftermath of World War III could be catastrophic, not just in terms of human casualties and environmental damage, but also the socio-political landscape. Nations would be left in ruins, economies shattered, and a new world order would emerge from the chaos. Political analyst. Prevention is key. Diplomatic efforts and international treaties must be prioritized to avoid the catastrophic potential of World War III. Humanity has always been on a quest for survival, power, and progress. But as we stand on the brink of a new era, the specter of World War III looms ominously over our heads. What would this mean for the extension of human beings? In this video, we will explore the potential causes, the impact, and the evolution of humanity in the face of a third world war. As we reflect on the potential of a third world war and its profound implications, it becomes clear that the future of humanity hinges on our collective actions. The extension of human beings, both in terms of survival and progress, depends on our ability to learn from history and navigate the complex challenges ahead. Tech expert. We must ensure that technological advancements are used for peace and progress, not destruction. Ethical considerations and international regulations should guide the development and deployment of advanced military technologies. Sociologist. The human spirit is resilient. With cooperation and compassion, we can overcome even the greatest challenges. Rebuilding and healing post-conflict societies will require a focus on mental health, community cohesion, and sustainable development. The future of humanity is in our hands. By understanding the risks and striving for peace, we can extend our existence into a brighter, more harmonious era. Let us learn from history and forge a path towards a better world. Thanks for joining us on this amazing video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring the future